Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to integrate Trello with Slack. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Slack, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Integrating Trello with Slack is a great way to streamline your workflow by connecting your task management and communication tools. Now, there are multiple ways for you to be able to do that. One method that we know is I want you to go to the power-ups on the upper corner. Click that, click the add power-ups button and search for Slack. Now, all you're going to do is click on the add button here, the blue one. Once you've done that, you can connect your communication and collaboration apps so that no ideas or tasks fall through the cracks. Now, you can click on these settings so that you can edit the power-up settings. Once you do that, you would be forwarded here. Now, you have all these triggers and automations. You can send board notifications to Slack channels. For example, you can add Slack alert. All you're going to do is you haven't signed it with any Slack workspaces yet. You need to click on the add Slack workspace. I'm switching over to my Slack to make it ready. And then click on add Slack workspace. Wait for it. Now, as you can see, there's going to be a pop-up window wherein Trello is requesting permission to access the Andy's Guide Slack workspace. All right, so of course, I'm choosing the Andy's Guides, and all I'm going to do is click on allow. Wait for it. And of course, click on allow. Once you've done that, it would be forwarded here because they're all set. You can close the window. Now, here, you can choose a Slack workspace, and obviously that's going to be Andy's Guides. Now you choose a channel. Of course, we are going to choose the channels of how to integrate Trello with Slack. Now, you are given an option wherein which Trello actions would you like to send to the Slack channel. Is it going to be a member added or remove or a list? All right. So all you're going to do is click on the options that you wanted depending on your preferences and needs. And once you've done that, select the necessary options and click on done. All right. What will happen is you would be able to get notifications for mentions in card comments are sent for the following Slack workspaces. Okay, click on done, and that's that. All right. After that, click on X. I need you to go again to the workspace because you see when you do that, you would be forwarded here on the power-ups where you can find the Slack. Right? You can send to channel, send via direct message, attach conversation, remind all this. Now, the next option that you can do is the Slack workspace. In my case, all you're gonna do, if you haven't already added Trello, you can simply click the add apps. Now from here, all you're gonna do is search for Trello. If you can't find your Trello, for example, just type in Trello and press enter. Because we already have integrated the Trello, so it's kind of like sorted out. But if you don't, just click on that. All right, and from here, all you're gonna do is you have multiple options if you wanted more control over the integration, because you see there's going to be an option for configuration which we don't have in the Trello earlier, but here in Slack you can do so. You can tailor notifications here in Slack to alert you about the most critical updates in Trello, reducing noise and focusing on what matters. All right, now open in Slack if you wanted. So you can set up automated workflows such as moving Trello cards when certain conditions in Slack are met, streamlining repetitive tasks. So I've done this multiple times in the past for a client. Now it makes wonders. Right here, you see? It now creates a channel. Now with this integration, you reduce the need to constantly switch between Trello and Slack, allowing you to focus more on your work. Now, another option that you might want to explore is using Zapier. So we have so many Zapier automation tutorials that you might want to check out on our YouTube channel. Okay, so from here, you can simply connect Slack to Trello and automate your work by clicking the orange button here and have all these endless possibilities. All you're gonna do is click this orange button. Now, the first is you might want to choose the event for Slack. Click on it. Now, you might want to choose the new channel wherein it triggers whenever a new channel is created. I want you to click on it. All right. And on Trello, you might want to choose an event. For example, it adds one or more attachments to a specific card, or it adds an existing label to a specific card. Now maybe I'm gonna be choosing the third one. Okay. All you have to do is click on continue, and you need to choose the Trello board. Click on the guide, choose. It's all up to you. Now for that, click on connect a new account if you wanted. And of course, there's going to be a pop-up window wherein it's authorizing these apps. Click on allow, and then just follow the on-screen prompts. Next is click on continue. Now on the board, you might want to choose in integrated Trello with Slack. Okay, on the label, you might want to choose in, I don't know, maybe blue, green, orange, purple, red. Maybe red. Let's do that. You might want to choose a list if you wanted. For example, export Trello to PDF, or just choose this. Go complete this step. And you need to log into your Slack. Wait for it. Similarly to Trello, you might want to click on allow to authenticate these apps. Once you've done that, you would be forwarded here to complete the whole process. Click on continue. Now you can test trigger so that you'll find the most recent one to confirm your trigger is set up correctly. All right, click on test trigger. Once you've done that, you would be able to utilize integrating Trello with Slack. That could help team or multiple freelancers or clients or your organizations work more efficiently, communicate better, and manage tasks more effectively. I believe this is an essential tool for productivity because linking important Trello boards to Slack channels dedicated to specific projects or teams make it easy to reference key documents and resources. Now, everyone in Slack channel can see updates to Trello boards, fostering transparency and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Now, new team members can quickly get up to speed by seeing how Trello boards are linked to Slack conversations, reducing the learning curve. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.